Okay. I'm going to be applying some gloss black vinyl, adhesive vinyl, to cover up the graphics. I'm not big into graphics on anything. I prefer to have almost nothing if possible. I took all the graphics off of my truck, and I'm going to try and cover these up. Unfortunately, they're not stickers. You can't just heat gun them and peel them off like decals. You've got to cover them up because they're clear coated over. However, that being said, if you came to this video searching for any information on how to actually do this, might be in the wrong spot, because I've never put vinyl down on anything, and it'll be a first for me. So let's go. I'm going to start with, I already wiped it down a little bit. I'm going to start with some alcohol, an alcohol wipe, just to make sure we get the surface nice and clean. Hopefully that will be sufficient. I got some Oracal 751C. I don't know what any of that means, but I think it might be the right stuff. Let me grab some paper towels. You might find yourself asking, why is he wiping it down after he hit it with the alcohol pad? Well, it turns out that wasn't an alcohol pad. It's just a moist towelette. So I got some zip ties holding my latch in. So I'm going to pop these off first. Most people wouldn't have this because they're not crazy like me, but okay, this is actually my wife's bike, and obviously we have the baby seat on the back. And the last thing I need is for a latch or a clasp or something to pop open. She'll never ride the bike again. Baby will get hurt. Better off to avoid it. And I forgot scissors, so oh wait, did I bring? Oh no, I brought a razor instead. It's pretty dull and it has a lot of adhesive on it already, so that'll work great. I don't know if you're supposed to use heat with this or not. I did bring out a heat gun, just in case. Lectric put these little pads there for the clasp, which, oh, nice. Looks like it's going to come right up. Thought I might have to hit that with the glue gun or the heat gun. It's fine. I think I'm gonna go all the way down with this, and then I'll just create a seam here. The other option is to cover the Lectric all the way, which it just barely fits, covering all the blue. Those are decisions that I didn't want to. I don't know if I can just peel this off, if it's going to stick. I've never used this before, as I said earlier. And I guess it's trial by error. butcher this. Like I said, pay no attention to what I'm doing. All right. I am going to try some heat just to see if it'll clear these pickles out. Alright, just going to hit this with some low heat for now. See how it works. Let me try getting a credit card. I just ruined the top with that credit card. Oh no, maybe I didn't. Oh yeah, that's coming out perfect. This is coming out unexpectedly well. Was not sure how this was going to work. I mean, confidence was high, obviously. You can hear that popping. That's the chemical reaction of the vinyl and the heat in my thumb. It's all coming together smoothly now. I call this they call this the rain effect, where your bike or the vinyl actually looks like it's wet. They look like little raindrops, and quite honestly, I think it looks great. And this is what I was going for, and it's really coming out perfect. I mean, I debated not doing this at all because I thought it might be too difficult, but man, that looks great. Okay, so the key with this is you're going to want to do a little bit of extra here on the end to cover up, finish covering up that L. But you don't want to get stingy. You want to cover that right up. So you take a full sheet like this, and you just go right over the top of the last piece of vinyl. Because quite honestly, that's the way they show you online, and I'm just following their instructions. Oh man, that landed perfect. I almost thought about not picking that up, but it was so straight. It's nice and pliable once you hit it with the heat gun. This is coming out way better than I thought I would. I mean, you figure you're just putting some stickers on, right? It's gonna be easy. And turns out it is. I mean, most things don't go the way I want them to, but this is really coming out great. It almost looks like I said, almost looks like it's wet. Similarly, it almost looks like I just wrapped it with duct tape. So that's cool because if I learned anything from being born in the 70s, it's that watching MacGyver from 8 to 9 o'clock on what I believe was a Thursday, that's good stuff. Maybe it was Monday? I don't know. But he taught me that you can't go wrong with duct tape. Matter of fact, I might... Where's my razor? Some of these bubbles, you simply just cut your razor in there and you know, you create a little air pocket and you can brush that hole right out of there. Or the bubble. Excuse me, the bubble. You don't want to do all the bubbles though, because that's what gives you the rainwater effect. I mean, at this point, I'd say that I'm done. I'll get some close-up shots for you. Ooh. Just now noticing that it says Lectric right there. Ugh, and I don't like that. Maybe I'll take care of that with another piece of vinyl. I really do despise the blue. And this warning sticker, I guess I can pop this off. Because, you know, warning stickers never helped anybody. That lady that burned herself from the McDonald's coffee, she could have used a warning sticker. Alright, now here, let me get you some close-ups. You really could tell the rainwater effect I was going for. And if you touch it, you still get some of that snapping and crackling. It's almost like you're eating breakfast cereal. This really came out nice. Man, I guess I couldn't have asked for anything more. You wouldn't believe that it was my first time. I can't believe people get paid to do this. Because when something's this easy, jeez, anyone can do it. Actually, this looks a lot like the box that the Lectric came in with all the clear tape wrapped around it. So, you know, that's its roots. That's what it came from. Okay. Well, I'm going to finish up the, I don't know. Maybe I'll finish up, maybe I'll throw some vinyl down there. And I'll show you a final picture when I'm done. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. And doubtful that you got this far in the video, but if you did, give me a thumbs up.